Yes, I think we will. Do you think we will? Uh-huh. You are? Is this the first time? Wow. Okay. He is. He's really fast. We're going that way. Good job, Wyatt. You jumped on your bike. Is it gonna open that way? Okay. What's this thing do? That red thing. I bet you have to hold on to the yellow things and try to stand. Can I do what? Yes. You're not going to fall, but you're going to do great. Whee! I'm going to get you. I'm getting really close. Oh, man down. Man down. You okay? Okay. I'm going to get you. Oh, man down. Let's see. Oh, your hands are so cold. Your hands are so cold. Down here. Because I'm here. Your hands are so cold. You want me to just stand here and make sure you're okay, or do you want some help?
No help.
Okay. You're going to wrap a leg around here. Like that. Ready? Okay.
One more thing, the chain.
Okay, the chain and then we go. You gotta hold on over there. Okay.
I've never seen something like that. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is. Woo! Ta-da! Okay. Do you remember how to open this? Good job. Good job. I'm going to see what time it is because I think they're waiting for the library to open. It's going to open in 3 minutes. Do you want to wait? Okay. Hold on, wait for me. No, but you can borrow one book.
How come?
Yes, that's what libraries are for. You borrow books. You don't buy them. Now I want you to be, I want to show you something down here, okay? Right about here. See that door? You always want to stop here because cars are coming in and out of there, see? So you don't want to be going across here with a car coming across. You want to make sure it's okay to go. Okay? I think it's okay now. Here we go.